In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Outlook theme. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the appearance settings in Outlook on your desktop, how to pick a theme color or background, how to switch between dark and light modes, and how to save your changes so they stick. First, launch Outlook from your desktop and let it fully open. If you see a sign-in prompt, go ahead and sign into your account so you can access all settings. Some organizations may require an extra verification step. Just follow the on-screen instructions until Outlook shows your inbox. Now look to the upper left corner of Outlook and click File. This takes you to the Backstage area where you can access app-wide options. On the next screen, choose Account Info. You're heading to the general settings that control how Outlook looks and feels, not your email content. From there, select General. This is where Outlook groups customization and personalization options. Next, click Appearance. If you're prompted to confirm your account or accept any terms to continue, complete that prompt so the appearance controls become available. Inside Appearance, you'll see a section labeled Themes. Here, you can select a preferred color or a background image. The color choice typically updates the window accents, message list headers, and other interface elements. If you choose a background image, it can add a subtle pattern or texture behind certain areas. If you prefer a clean look, choose a simple color. If you like a bit of personality, try a light, low-contrast image that won't distract you while reading or composing emails. You can preview how the changes look as you click around, so take a moment to find a combination that feels comfortable. Below that, you'll find Dark Mode options. Choose Light if you want a bright interface, Dark for a dimmer, eye-friendly look, or use System settings to let Outlook follow whatever your computer's appearance is set to. If you spend long hours in email, Dark Mode can reduce eye strain, while Light Mode can make printed screenshots or shared recordings clearer. Use System settings is great if your device switches automatically at sunset and sunrise. When you're happy with your selections, click Save to apply your changes. Most of the time, Outlook updates immediately. If anything looks off, close and reopen Outlook to refresh the interface. You can return to Appearance at any time and tweak your theme, background, or mode again. That's it. You launched Outlook, signed in if needed, went to File, opened Account Info, moved into General, selected Appearance, chose your theme and mode, and saved your changes. Enjoy your new Outlook look.